Hello everyone. In previous lecture we study about the MACD indicator and today we study about the stochastic indicator. The stochastic indicator is lie between two values from 0 to 100. If the reading over 80 we consider overbuying pressure and while the reading below 30 we consider the overselling pressure. Okay, as per rule we buy the market when it's oversold and we sell the market when we overbuying. So simply go to the tradingview.com and this toolbox and search stochastic. Okay, as you know option is stochastic is a pair. Okay, as you can see here we mark the two lines. First is on 80 and second is on 30, and as you can first mark is the 80. As you can see the first mark is 80 and the second is below 30. As you can see, you may, as you can wish, you may consider this below 20 or below 30. Okay, and you can see is here stochastic indicator, the market is down, then your blue blue line, as you can see, is here. When market is overselling situation, then your indicator, the orange yellow line is crosses your blue line, then you have this the sell signal of market. Yellow line cross, this is your sell signal is here, and then market downward side. And then you can see is your blue line crosses the yellow line, then market is goes uptrend direction. Okay, as you can see the market is above 80 value, and now we consider this option is overbuying situation, and during the overbuying, and now we can see is here the market is shows us the sell signal when yellow line crosses the blue line, and it cross the blue line, then we get the sell signal is here, then market goes downward direction. And as again is here, when blue line cross the yellow line, we get the buying signal is here, and now market goes upward direction. And we get again blue line cross by yellow line, and then we get the overselling is here, and then we get sell signal by the stochastic indicator, then market is again downward, and you can see the value of the stochastic indicator is relies below 20, and this is now 7 value, and on 7 value this shows the overselling situation of the BTC USDT chart on September 24, and now the stochastic indicator give you buying signal is here. As you can see the blue line cross the yellow line. Okay, now market is again upward, and then the yellow line cross the blue line and market goes downward, and at last time the blue line cross the yellow line, and then market will be buying signal is here, then market will goes upward direction. Okay, and now the stochastic indicator value shows us the above 80, then we consider it as the sell signal. Okay, you will get multiple times trade by using the stochastic indicator. You have only the consider two values. Above 80 use the sell signal, and below 30 you have the buying signal. Buy on below 30, sell on above 80. Buy on below 30, sell on above 80. As much as you can, this is the more confidence on your trading. Okay. Hope so you can understand the stochastic indicator and all the previous indicator that you study before. If you have any question regarding the indicators, ask me question in question answer portal. I respond to your queries as soon as possible. Let's move on our next indicator.